Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable Face ID to view hidden or recently deleted albums. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and once you are at Photos app, you can get into albums and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find hidden and recently deleted albums, and next to that albums you can notify that lock icon, and that means that these albums are locked, and it will ask you to use Face ID to be able to get access to that albums. I can just try to get into hidden, and now it search for my Face ID. I can use it to open up that hidden album. Now let me show you how you can easily enable this feature. So first, open up Settings, then scroll down until you find the Photos app and then tap on that, and then scroll down again, and right here you can easily find Use Face ID feature, and if this feature is enabled, Face ID is required to view the hidden and recently deleted albums. So just make sure that this feature next to Use Face ID toggled on. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.